Good evening, everyone. Tonight we are in La Cañada at Descanso Gardens, opening night of Carved, their fall event. It is a beautiful, approximately mile-long trail of carved pumpkins, beautiful light displays, all things fall, Dia de los Muertos, and we were the first ones on the trail, as usual. Because you know me, I have to get here an hour early for everything. So we go through with the light out, so you can see the trail at sunset, then we'll go through again once the sun sets, and you can see all the beautiful displays. So let's check it out. Here's a little squirrel. Huh, hello, guy. The squirrels are everywhere tonight. They're coming out of the rafters, they're coming out of the trees. That's so cool. This is really neat. Carved is now open nightly through October 29th. It is timed entry starting at 6. The event closes at 10. You can see the fog is starting to come out. And as you can tell, it is a very family-friendly event. It's not scary. There's some little spooky elements, but there's no scare actors, nothing scary, frightening for the little ones. Perfect for all ages. Just a reminder to the kids, and not only the kids, but the adults, please stay on the trail. Do not crawl into the displays like we're seeing people do already. Grown adults, not children, grown adults. We've been to Descanso numerous times, but before we came today, I was actually watching a documentary from KCET on YouTube. And Descanso Gardens was first Manchester Bodie's private home and his own personal garden, Rancho del Descanso. It was the land was purchased in 1938, and he was a publishing and newspaper tycoon. And originally it was 160 acres. I think right now it's about 150, and this camellia forest, really interesting the history of this too in World War II and those that helped plant it. Definitely check it out. We'll put a link down in the description. So it is opening day, and the sun is still out here at 6 o'clock. So we're doing our loop, as I mentioned. See what everything looks like with the sun out, then grab a bite to eat over there. I was looking at the menu before we came in. There's some good eats and drinks, and then we'll do our second loop once the sun goes down.
Oh, yeah.
So the rose garden here is 5 acres with 1,600 roses, according to Descanso's website. It is absolutely beautiful. And I know they do weddings here, so if you're looking for a venue, this is perfect. See, this is why I like to come early and get through the garden really quickly, because you get the different view as the sun is setting. And look at the sun setting on the mountains back there. You can see the radio towers way up there. There's a observatory up there and lookout. If you think this is a beautiful display, you should see Enchanted, which is their holiday event, very similar to this. Takes a little bit different course, takes you to different spots here at Descanso.
But I don't know where, nothing looks like we can paint. Why not, sir?
So the sun has set. We're going to grab something to eat and go around again. So far, it's really pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, it is
It's
really
absolutely
pretty. It looks
beautiful.
much nicer at night, too, with the lights reflecting off everything.
Absolutely gorgeous. So let's go eat. We're deciding. Should we get the Papa Flautas,
You're
the
deciding.
walking taco with the impossible beef, or get a sandwich from up front?
Oh,
That's the question. How about we just get all of them?
Yeah, that should be done.
From the little food booth near the pumpkin house, we've got the walking taco made with impossible meat. Then we have Papa Flautas. We have half a pretzel, and then we've got the Dia de los Muertos churros. And Nick got, what is your drink?
Margarita.
Margarita. There you go. And then we got just some soft drinks.
You better not walk.
In photos it was terrible. So we realized the best way to go about things is that you really just have to eyeball it. You have to make adjustments for the perspective.
That is it here from opening night at Carved at Descanso Gardens in La Canada-Flintridge. As you can see, it is an absolutely beautiful event, perfect for the entire family, perfect for a date night, just quiet stroll. It is beautiful and spooky without being scary, and just a really good time. So thank you for Descanso for having us out. We really enjoyed it. It runs nightly between now and October 29th. Time tickets are available only on Descanso's website. We'll put that down in the description. You cannot buy them here at the door. If you want to get here early to walk around before the crowds get here, that's a good time. Or later in the evening, the crowds start to thin out a bit. So thank you again for watching. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on, and follow us on social media.